What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now today is such a different day. We actually have sold the R1, so we're about to load this thing up on the trailer and let's get it down to Montgomery to the new owner. So guys, it's probably gonna be the last time you see this bike on the channel. So let's just take it in and let's get this thing loaded, put on the trailer, and let's go. Realized that I totally forgot the key to the bike, so we're gonna have to do this manual style. We're gonna have to actually push the bike up on here. I left it at the house. Come on now, everything can't go as planned, so unfortunately you won't get a start of this right now, but once we get down there to drop the bike off, y'all gonna hear this thing for the last time. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this build. It did take some time to get rid of this bike, but we finally got it sold, so we're making good profit. So on the next video you're gonna see the full breakdown price list of everything. And guys, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification so you don't miss any videos. Now, the most scariest part about strapping up a bike is actually trying to get it off the kickstand, especially when you don't have a front wheel chop. So what I like to do is just thread it through here and put tension to keep it up like this. So now all I'm gonna do is throw a strap in the front here and bring it forward so it'll sit against the end of here. And then I'm gonna strap it a couple more places just to secure the thing so it don't move. But it's very scary to me. I don't know if some of you guys have the same problem, but I've always been scared to do it this way, but it actually works. So, man, it's like a bittersweet moment. I ain't ready to see it go. So let's finish getting this thing strapped up. There she is, all loaded up. So now the plan of action is I got to stop by the house to get the keys for this thing, and I'm actually gonna start it up for you guys so y'all can hear it. And then after that, we're gonna hit the road. Okay, I got the keys, I got the gas, and I got the gum. So now we're ready to go ahead and get this trip on the road. Man, I got a long drive ahead of me, so guys, lucky for you don't have to go through all this. Y'all just sit back and enjoy the ride. Guys, so we're about 15 minutes away, so now I had to stop and grab some gas and, you know, take a little tinkle, and then, you know, we'll be back on the road again and we'll be there in the street. While we wait on this thing to gas up, let's go ahead and let's hear it again. Still can't believe it, baby. We're gonna be gone in 15 minutes. Let's hear it again one more time. Just you and I, baby, just you and I. I just want to hear your voice.
Might as well.
How long of a drive you have back?
I think it was 2.5 hours.
2.5.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Oh, that won't be bad.
100 some odd miles, so I'll be able to make it on one tank, but might as well fill it up.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I've made it back to the house safe and sound, man. It was such a relief to get rid of the bike, but at the same time, I miss it as well. So, guys, y'all already seen all of the videos. So, I want y'all to let me know how much I got paid off of this bike. Now, I'm going to let you know, back when we first purchased the bike, we spent, I think it was $2,500 for the bike, and we did a frame swap. So, I want y'all to get in the comment section and let me know what y'all think we made off of this thing. We need to figure out what's the next build. Of course, I got the R6 that I'm building on, which I got a little time to work on it. So we're going to be putting that together and doing something completely custom with it. And also, I'm going to be hitting you with a banger video tomorrow that's going to give you the full price breakdown list of this. So in case one of you want to tackle this job yourself and actually make some money and make a profit off of it, hey, you can do it. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the D's Nuts and Bolts family. You can also catch me on Instagram, where you get the inside scoop before YouTube. And like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.